So we actually got a day that's pretty decent out. Probably around 75 degrees. It's the warmest it's been all year. Not all year. All spring. A lot of showers in the afternoon. That's Wyoming weather. So I decided to take Tico and Rocky out and Max. Need a little sun. Probably for about 10 minutes. They're going to hang out and then I'm going to bring them in. And I'm hoping to head to the mountain and see if I can get some video of some wildflowers and maybe look for a moose or an elk. So that's what I'm going to be doing this evening. Hope you guys are having a great day. Bye.